It's Disney Travel Day. Alright, we made it through security and we're gonna go see if we can get coffee. Last time I had to abandon my coffee order. So we're gonna try to do this. It doesn't look like there's a line today, which is good news. So yeah, I think we're gonna get a little snacky snack here at Starbucks and a coffee and be on our way. Alright guys, it's been a weird morning. I'll get into that in a second, but it was so sweet. Lucia's telling everyone it's her birthday. She's going to Disney for her birthday. So they gave her a free cake pop, so that was a great way to start our trip. Having her little cake pop raccoon guy. Like your raccoon? Yeah? Yeah? Ooh, I am like sweating. We're all ready to board. I'm just gonna let everyone kind of go ahead of us so that way we're on the plane as less time as possible. So yeah, Lucia got her little cake pop. Where are you going, Lucia? We've been up since 1:30 in the morning. It's great. And she's missing an earring, so I'm gonna give her mine and I'm gonna put my other ones on. So yeah, it wouldn't be a travel day without some mishap. You know, I did my whole stroller setup video like a month ago and I had everything ready to go, the rain gear, everything in the stroller, my water cup, and we went to the garage to get it, and yeah, we don't have any rain gear. I don't know. It's gonna be a fun trip with that, so I'm probably gonna have to invest in some more ponchos. Alright, sorry, this is a weird angle. Alright, we are on board. Yeah, the only mishap is that we went to get the stroller.
We're going to Disney World.
Yes, we are. What are we going to Disney World for?
Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, so oh my gosh, it just kills me literally every time.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome
no
to
matter how prepared I am, it's like something goes missing. Our whole rain gear, everything, the stroller cover. I looked at Target to try to do a pickup and there's nothing there that I could see that we could order one, so I'm just going to have to get some ponchos. So it's going to be, of course, it's Orlando hurricane season. So.
Temperature 76 degrees.
Anyway, see you up in the air. Alright, we made it. We're in Orlando. As usual, we got in so early. Always like 30 to 40 minutes. You can always guarantee that. Coming back, we're always like 40 minutes late. Orlando is an amazing airport. So we're going to hit up the bathroom and then go meet our driver downstairs. I can pick you up when you're heading down. colors. How about blue? Alright, we are all checked into All-Star Movies. Lucia wanted to get Mickey waffles, so we're going to stop here before we head on over to Hollywood Studios. I do have to stop once again at the front desk because I don't know what happens every time I come. The first time I use my magic band, which I've used this on previous trips, I just tried to like pay for multiples and it gave me like some kind of error. So I gotta go figure out what the problem is. I don't know if it didn't register the credit card. We checked in at the front desk, so it's kind of weird. But anyway, Lucia's happy now. She has her Mickey waffles, and she got a soda. So we're still surviving. I'm actually doing pretty good. Cheers. All right. I'm actually doing surprisingly well being on like 2 hours of sleep. So Lucia, I'm expecting to conk out at some time. I didn't get breakfast here because I'm literally still finishing. I got a grilled cheese for breakfast at Starbucks this morning and I'm still like working on it. Oh. Alright, we made it to Hollywood Studios. It is 11 o'clock. Yes! Yeah, Tower of Terror. You want to do Tower of Terror today? Oh my gosh, sorry about the fuss here. Kind of wish we would have I should have just looked and did like Caribbean Beach the whole time, but honestly we haven't stayed at All Stars in so long that I just wanted to stay one day because I just hate taking that bus. But we had some really nice, the bus driver was amazing. He actually helped me get the stroller on the bus because normally I have to do it all by myself, and then when I got on, these two dads helped hold my stroller, so that was super nice. Alright, so we are off. First park of the trip, Hollywood Studios. Unfortunately, I've not been able to get any earlier lightning lane passes. So our first one isn't until like 2, I think. So we're gonna go do Star Tours because that's only a 5-minute wait, and Lucia is tall enough for that now, so that's good. Yeah, we have like 2 hours. I almost feel like we should have almost like went swimming for a little bit, but anyway, we're here now. My goal is to just get all of our rides done and then head back to the hotel this afternoon and do some swimming. Other thing we could do is technically we could probably do like Frozen sing-along, so we'll see. And I gotta see what the wait is for Olaf. Since last time we had Olaf in Little Mermaid dress. Now we have the Frozen dress she's wearing. She was like fighting with me in the airport bathroom and I was like changing her that she decided it didn't fit. And I said, all right, just wait until you get to the hotel and then we could change you. And she hasn't brought it up since. I was like, I'm glad like we had that whole little argument. Anyway, kids. So all right, let's head to Star Wars.
Come on in. Check it out, Olaf. She's been super duper excited to show you.
Alright guys, as I mentioned earlier, we forgot our rain gear. Well, it's not that we forgot it. I fully intended to bring it, but we just could not find it this morning. I don't know what the heck. Oh, there's raindrops on my lens here. Hold on. Okay, so, of course, you know that it's hurricane season here in Florida, so you know that it was bound to rain. Jose was like, maybe it won't rain. Yeah, right. But, just so you know, they do sell stroller rain covers, and I actually didn't find them to be like totally outrageous that you would kind of expect at Disney. it was $18, and then I got a discount, so it ended up being, I think, $16. I feel like that's pretty reasonable. I was about to pay that if I, order on Amazon or something. So where I found it is, I found it right when you first walk in to Hollywood Studios, right on the left-hand side. And this guy told me they also sell them where you rent, like the wheelchairs and everything, but we didn't go over there. But they do take annual pass. So anyway, don't forget your rain gear, guys. So we are off now to try to do, as Lucia refers to it, as Spaceman Ride, aka Smuggler's Run. So we're running over there. She wanted to head back to the hotel. We literally just got here. We have all these lightning lanes booked, and I was like, oh no, girlfriend, if you're tired, you better take a nap in the stroller. We will go to the pool and swim later, take a nap later. Right now, we gotta power through.
We can take it slow, yo. Well, it's my law. I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall, yo. Well, it's my law. I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. You try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world.
For your safety, please, man.
Let's go.
We are kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world. And tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world.
Is sweltering, even though there's no sun. We are ready for Smuggler's Run, so we're gonna go head on over there. Much to my sadness, Lucia wanted to cancel Slinky Dog, and it is her birthday, so we must do as the princess wishes. So, that being said, I traded in for Smuggler's Run. I don't know. It's her birthday. She gets picked the rides this week. All right, so let's go.
Nothing to fear. You'll never be alone. Let the highway be your home, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again.
Lucia, what do you got?
Cupcake.
How'd you get that? Why'd you get the cupcake?
It's my cupcake.
Show the vlog. They were so nice. Just like when I went over at Toy Story Land, they saw her birthday button and then they went and gave her a cupcake. So nice.
And I've had to buy
I don't know what's going on with Lucia. She liked all these rides last time. Alright, let me get closer. Well, whatever. I think it's just one of those. Sorry, I know we're at like a tilt here. We're on like a tray. Let me see if I can put it on the table. So we went to Smuggler's Run. She's getting tired, so I'm thinking we're gonna eat and then go do Toy Story Mania, and then probably back to the
pool.
and then we're gonna go in the pool.
Yeah, I love the pool.
Yeah, because that's what she wants to do. So it's fine. It's her birthday, so you just gotta go with the flow. So we came to ABC Commissary. I like the food here better actually than some of the other places. Dining plan for today. So I got shrimp tacos, and it came with like any drink. So this margarita is like normally $17, and it came with a meal. So this was definitely a win. Plain beat the dining plan. This was a win. And Lucia got a kids pork taco, beans, rice, and they gave a free cupcake. And then of course we had to get this guy. I'm a sucker for these things, right? This is gonna be another one to add to our collection.
I
I know. Curious what they'll have tomorrow for us to buy at the Halloween party. We finished up eating. Then I saw the ride queue time for Mickey's Minnie's Runaway Railway was only half hour. So I'm like, all right, let's just go wait in line because we have about an hour to kill before our next lightning lane, which is Toy Story Mania. So we got in and we're waiting like 20, 25 minutes, whatever. And then maybe even half hour. And then we got to almost to the front and then they were like, oh, the ride is broke down. So we waited like about 15-20 minutes and then this lady came back and announced like it's still broken, you guys could stay, otherwise you know I'm gonna give you guys lightning lanes, whatever. So I go and follow the crowd outside and then there's no lady there anymore. So I asked and they're like, oh sorry, we only give a few of them out. I'm like, okay, great. That was just totally a waste of time. But I think we're just gonna do Toy Story Mania. Yes.
Let's go to Holiday Studios.
We are here. We're here at all. We're here, right? We're gonna go do Toy Story Mania, and then I think we're gonna head home, head to the resort and go get some pool time in because we are both like exhausted. All right, let's go.
Happy birthday! Right here? All right, you're all set.
All right, baby.
Fell. Right? Mommy.
What?
My cupcake fell.
Yes, you're right. But it's okay. Maybe you get another one tomorrow.
Okay.
It's your birthday weekend. I don't mean to sound negative. It just happens at Disney. It's just the things that happen. I think it's just, we've been up since 1:30 and my toddler is just losing it. So I think this is going to be it for today before we go to the pool. Who's going to win? Mommy, you think I'm going to win?
Me and you.
Alright guys, I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. If you made it this far in the video and we're not already friends, go ahead and give this video a like. It really does help support the channel. Stick around, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye!
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.